Vision: a University of Science Technology advancing geology and bioresource science to promote sustainable, resilient communities. Mission: to provide high-quality global education experience to educate individuals and leadership. Innovation, critical thinking, cultural appreciation, and civic responsibility so that our graduates are confident, informed, and environmentally, culturally proactive and productive citizens. Core values: V. Passion for excellence. S. Service. U. Unity for inclusiveness. Quality policy. The Partido State University commits to provide quality instruction, responsive research, and need-based extension for global competitiveness and satisfaction of its clients, stakeholder, regulatory bodies, and other service providers through continual improvement of the quality management system. College goal: produce cutting-edge, globally competitive, value-adding agri-entrepreneur and community development professional for past innovation in agriculture and achieving sustainable development focusing on food security, climate change and mitigation, poverty reduction, and sustainable communities, particularly marginalized sector through infrastructure, research, extension, and production services. Program objectives: 1. Equipment student with management and entrepreneurial skill relevant to agribusiness and other allied courses. 2. Generate quality researchers in line with agriculture, technology, and enterprise development for utilization and commercialization.